The form of energy that is used the most extensively in our homes and industries is electricity. The per capita use of electricity in our country is considered an indicator of its development. It is interesting to note that the electricity that runs our industries or lights up our homes could be derived from a fast-flowing river. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas, or tiny invisible atoms. The electricity generated by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Flowing water is a renewable resource. Thus, hydroelectricity is produced using a renewable resource of energy. The map here shows some major hydropower plants in India. Large hydropower plants like Bakranangal, Damodar Valley Corporation and Kopili are called multi-purpose river projects. Electricity generated from the heat of burning fuel minerals like coal, petroleum and natural gas is called thermal electricity. Note that thermal electricity is produced using non-renewable fossil fuels. India has over 310 thermal power plants. The map here shows some major thermal power plants in India. A large amount of heat energy is released when the atomic structure of radioactive elements like uranium changes. This nuclear or atomic energy is also used to generate electricity. At present, India has 6 operational nuclear power plants in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. The uranium and thorium used to run these nuclear power plants is sourced from Jharkhand and the Aravalli ranges in Rajasthan. The monazite sand of Kerala is also rich in thorium. Growing urbanization and industrialization in India is creating more and more demand for energy. At present, we largely depend on fossil fuels for our energy requirements. However, their increasing prices, shortage in supply, and environmental concerns against their use can severely affect our energy security. The answer to the problem of energy security lies in using non-conventional sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy and geothermal energy. Being a tropical country, large parts of India receive bright sunshine during most parts of the year. This makes solar power a huge potential source of energy in India. The secret of using solar power lies in photovoltaic technology. This technology uses panels made of photovoltaic cells that trap solar energy and convert it into electricity. A milk can sterilization facility in Madhapur near Bhuj has the largest solar power installation in India. The use of solar energy in lighting and cooking in rural India can reduce the dependence of villages on firewood and cattle dung cakes. This will automatically lead to conservation of the environment and more supply of organic manure. The large fans you see in this picture do not run on electricity. They are actually wind turbines that produce electricity using the energy of the blowing wind. A number of such wind turbines are set up together to form a wind farm. The map here shows the main areas where wind energy is being harnessed in India. The largest wind farm in India is in Tamil Nadu, spread from Nagercoil to Madurai. You will also find wind farms in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. You must have seen cattle dung cakes being used as fuel in villages. This waste can be put to better use. Animal, human and farm waste produce biogas on decomposition, which is a better fuel than kerosene. Cattle dung cakes, firewood and coal. Biogas plants that operate on animal waste are called gobar gas plants in India. They not only provide an efficient alternative source of energy and better manure for fields, but also conserve our forest by reducing the demand for firewood. If you live near the sea, you must have seen the daily tides coming in and going out. These tides are used to generate electricity. On high tide, the water is allowed to flow in a storage area, and on low tide, the water is allowed to flow back. In both cases, the flowing water is used to produce electricity. The National Hydropower Corporation has set up a 900 megawatt tidal energy plant in the Gulf of Kutch that provides excellent conditions for harnessing tidal energy. If you start digging a hole towards the center of the earth, you will find that it gets hotter and hotter as the depth below the earth's surface increases. This heat trapped in the depths of the earth is called geothermal energy. Groundwater absorbs geothermal energy and, at some places, shoots out as geysers of hot water and steam. The steam is used to generate electricity. Hot springs have been discovered in many places in India. Experimental projects to utilize geothermal energy have been set up at the Parvati Valley near Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and the Puga Valley in Ladakh.